Okay, so we're going to figure out what the logic of our branching scenario is going to be. So, beginning here, we're going to have an introduction. Let's make that a slide, perhaps. Then we're going to have first video, which sets up the first question. Let's call this video for question 1. A video link. Next, there'll be a question. The actual text of said question. Let's call that question 1. And from there, there'll be 3 options. We'll call this one question 1, option A. Now, the learner doesn't know this, but this is going to be correct. And then here, do the incorrect ones.